After I discovered this trick, my house smells like a rich man's house. It is very simple, and you will have the house smelling good for many days. To start today's tip, container, I will add coarse salt, and up until almost complete the container, just like I'm doing here. After I learned this, I improved every room in my house. After adding the optimal amount of coarse salt, I will now also add 2 tablespoons of alcohol. And now let's mix. Remembering that alcohol is responsible for exhaling the smell throughout the environment and also helps scare away insects. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Harriet McCulloch from Australia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After mixing well, I will now add the fabric softener. It is the main item of our tip, fully responsible for the smell of cleaning. The ideal is to put fabric softener to cover the coarse salt. Also, can use the smell of fabric softener of your choice, or even a different smell for each environment of your home. This advice will surely be very useful, and for at least 30 days, you will have the house smelling good. And with a simple tip to do, in addition to having a low cost, even for those who have dogs inside the house, the smell totally neutralizes the smell of urine from animals. You will thank me. To finish today's tip, I will add some cloves are also very responsible for exhaling the smell around your home. Just putting some carnations in some environment of your home, you already notice the difference in the full environment. Already in this tip, they will help in improving the smell. I am sure you will be surprised by the result of this mixture. And every visit to your home will ask you what the secret to having the house fully fragrant is. This advice I use myself in the kitchen, in the living room, especially in the bathroom, and it is also possible to use in your room, always bringing the smell of clean clothes. Even after cleaning my house, I still keep this tip, further extending the smell of cleanliness. Tell me if you've done any cleaning tips using cloves. They always come in handy in several tips. Thank you for watching this tip so far. See you in the next video. Bye.